Hi guys, it's Chantal with Wildberry Quilting, and today I got the Patreon rewards from Alum and Ink. Now, if you're not sure what that is, it's kind of like it's a monthly subscription, except for it's not. Alum and Ink has a Patreon page, and every month she sends out a new pin or sticker depending on what tier you sign up for. She also has a tier for both the pin and the sticker, and she'll send it out to you each month as a different type of animal. I'm not sure if they're usually endangered or not, but they're just really cool animals that she's picked out. So let's take a look at it and see what she sent me this month. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to start off first with the sticker, and it is a snowy owl. I love it. Wow, that's a good size sticker too. I think that one might go on my laptop. Very cute. Whoops. And, oh, I've got a bonus goodie here. She sent me a bonus sticker, which is, I think they might be dogwood flowers. They kind of look like the dogwood flowers that we get each year on our tree in our backyard, except for ours are like a whitish green color. I think they do come with pink though sometimes too. All right, and now the pin. There we go. And she always has them in these nice little volume packaging. Oh, that's very pretty. And the sticker and the pin do match each other. They are both the same animal. They are snowy owls. And you can see, I'm tilting this so that you can see that it is filled, the enamel is filled all the way up to the top. And this is, I am signed up to the B level tier for the pins, and so it's supposed to be a B grade, basically, is what I'm trying to say. And I don't see any flaws. Again, just like usual, I mean, her flawed pins are better quality than what I get in a lot of, anywhere else. So for their regular stuff that they're selling for a regular price, I am so impressed with her stuff. And she also has on there that these are gold plated too. I'm not sure what the carat is or any of that information, but if you were curious, you could ask her. And just like usual, all of her pins come with 2 posts, and they are quite good to use just even as regular pins. I will be turning mine into needle minders, but you can see the quality on the back. She even has it with her logo on the back. It says Alum and Ink. And as always, I am very impressed. All right, on second thought, I think that's actually supposed to be pink magnolia blossoms, which I really should have been able to tell because magnolias are one of my favorite flowers. I absolutely adore them. Thank you so much for the bonuses. I really appreciate it. I will link all of her information down below. Make sure you check her out. You will not be disappointed. She is absolutely lovely and an incredible artist. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.